Hello everyone, today we are creating a beautiful half up, half down hairstyle. This is a very simple technique of curling hair with a 32mm curling iron using additional clip-in hair extensions that are 50 to 60 centimeters long. You can of course work without hair extensions, which will result in less volume and length, but the technique will be exactly the same. Despite the fact that it seems very simple in the video, I want to emphasize that the hair of my mannequin is pre-prepared for styling. They are clean and straight. Also, the clip-in hair must always be washed and dried before each client. They are also straightened before working to ensure the curls don't turn out fluffy and uneven. Otherwise, if you work carefully and try to follow all the steps, in the end, you will get a beautiful and delicate hairstyle, suitable not only for the bride but also for the bridesmaids. If the hair does not hold the curl well, treat each strand with Schwarzkopf's pump spray before curling. At the end, when creating the half up, half down, you can treat the hair with dry shampoo or sprinkle a large amount of hair powder on it. This will make the hair drier and stiffer, and it will be easier for you to shape it as needed. For heavy long hair, do not use a diameter larger than 25mm, and be sure to let the hair cool in clips. It's very important for it to hold the curl all day. I hope you enjoyed the video and I look forward to your comments and subscription.